So I don't have things turned on. I can turn things on.
We would love for you to turn some things on. Wow. CCP's recording studio, everyone. This is amazing. And they also have quiet rooms. So these are practice rooms. So cool. This whole space used to be one studio and they broke it up into different ones. Now, granted, this is not a studio, but these are just quiet rooms. There's a classroom in here right now. This is another studio, I believe. I didn't get to go in there. Oh, wow. Look at this. Wow, CCP. Wow, CCP. Ooh! Look. Oh, my goodness. Make me one of these, babe. Make me one of these, babe. Oh, my goodness.
These are the atoms with the sun. These are the birthdays.
They say the love is only for fools. A city game made up.
This is one of our current students who's also...